In this example, we're going to see how to use SystemVue Python scripting to create some simple matplotlibs. By the way, the workspace is in the Knowledge Center. Open the script here and let's walk through the code. This was last tested in SystemVue 2023. In SystemVue 2023, you have to load the library using a different process. Here we're getting the SystemVue dataset, and here are some variables that we're accessing to formulate the PDF output plot that we want to create. And here we are creating the PDF file object. Get the measurement to plot EVM versus symbol using matplotlib, and then constellation graph using matplotlib again. And then here we are saving the figures in line number 66. Here we're creating a 2x2 matrix, so we can plot 4 of the graphs on the same window. This is the code here, and then again we are saving the figure, so it saves it to the PDF file. Run the script. This should create a couple of plots that pops up in SystemVue. In addition to this, it also outputs these plots to the PDF file. Let's open the PDF file and walk through the output. Here we see the EVM versus symbol plot and then the constellation diagram. And then we see here the submatrix plots, which has 4 of the graphs. Next, let's see how to create a table using matplotlib equivalent library in Python. So open up the script Python EVM table. The first few lines are very similar to the script that we walked through in setting up getting some of the variables to plot. And then here we are getting the table and getting the information plotting in an EVM table. Let's run the script and then look at the output that is created. Here's a simple table. We can obviously add more information to this.